In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a coin on pump.fun. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the official pump.fun website. Then go to the top right and select on Connect Wallet. From here, you guys can go ahead and enter in your email, or you can go ahead and sign in using Phantom Wallet or any other wallet you do have. So for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and sign in using the Phantom Wallet. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on that. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on Connect just like so. And then let's go ahead and just press on Confirm, because this is the first time that I'm actually connecting to pump.fun. And then over here, you need to go ahead and select on a username. So for this video, I'm just going to be selecting on how to now. But obviously, if you're doing this seriously, then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and give yourself a catchy nickname, something that actually does represent you. And obviously, you want to go ahead and put in a custom profile picture and a bio. And I'm currently using the Nova extension, and this is just glitching it out. But for this, I'm just going to go ahead and press on save like so. There you go. Then let's go ahead and press on close. Then let's go ahead and press on close one more time. And as you're able to tell, we are connected with Phantom Wallet. Now, in order to actually make a coin on pump.fun, you will need at least 0.2 Solana, which we do have right over here. So that's honestly pretty cool. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on start a new coin. From here, go ahead and give your coin a name. So I'm going to be making a coin really quickly, but it's just for the tutorial. I'm just going to do it really fast. But obviously, if you're trying to make a coin, really try to make it memorable and actually try to build a community behind this coin. All right, so I did put in the ticker over here and a description and of course an image as well. We also do have more options such as a Telegram link, a website link, or a Twitter link. So again, if you're doing this seriously, then I highly recommend that you guys actually include a Telegram link, a website link, and a Twitter link. So it kind of makes your project look far more legit, and it's something that I recommend. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on create coin. So then it is going to ask you how much of your coin you want to buy. Now this right over here, it's optional, but buying a small amount of coins helps protect your coin from snipers. So this is completely up to you. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on create coin, because again, this part is completely optional. I'm only doing it for the tutorial, but if you're trying to do it legitly, then please do purchase a small amount of your coin. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on create coin like so, and then it is going to take a couple seconds, and then it will say create a new coin. So let's go ahead and press on view coin like so. And here we are, guys. We literally do have our coin right over here, which is honestly really cool. So yeah, from here, you guys can go ahead and buy the coin or sell it as well. And there's honestly a lot of great options over here. Now, obviously, there's no activity going on right now because I just did this as fast as possible. But if you're trying to do this, then make sure you put in the effort and due diligence. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.